everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Unicorn here, aka Shink, aka Amber. Hi, how's everyone doing tonight? So, I have a review to do. You know the Sparkle Magic we unboxed the other day? Yeah, it's trash, don't get it. It's actually not that bad. It's just not what I'm used to, and it's not what I expect. Granted, it is sparkly. I like it a little bit. It's just trying to figure out how to place these stupid little gems in just the right spots. Now, if it was lightly marked like our canvases are, that'd be perfect. But, you know, considering this is meant for like small children, you know, it's doable. Would I do it again? No. No, I wouldn't. Would I recommend it? Yes and no. Yes, because the finished product is beautiful. No, because it's just not thought out. Like, there's no guide. There's no guide. And I'm a person that needs guidance. Let's just be, let's just be honest. But they are beautiful. And especially when they're done. I mean, I like it. I do. But I wouldn't personally do them anymore. This is a one and done thing. I'll probably see if my daughter would want to do them next time I see her. Because again, this is just not for me. If you're a crafty person and you want to try it, sure. It was like $5. Go try it. Sure, yes. But if you're not so much a crafty person and you're like me and need and like guidance and control, this isn't for you. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I'd give it a 3-star out of 5. Because they're cute. It was simple to do. It's just, again, there's no guidance, and I need guidance. I prefer guidance. There is plenty of stones, whatever you want to call them, to do the next 3. It didn't come with tweezers. It didn't come with any drill pen, which I found this easier to do. I found it easier to do with a drill pen, because, it was meant for tiny fingers, not gigantic adult fingers like these. So I just used mainly my pen, and a pair of tweezers. I used Evermoment tweezers, the sharp stabby kind. One thing I do have to point out, if you're going to use tweezers, be careful. It does scratch the gems up. Hold up. I scratched a couple on here. The camera's actually not picking it up, which is great. But yeah, the camera's not picking it up, but I can see it in person. So just be careful if you're going to use the stabby tweezers. It's in that one, right? There in the L. If it would focus, come on. You can do it. Right here in the L. I scratched that one up for sure. But it's okay. Lesson learned. Yeah, it's easier to use a drill pen or a pair of tweezers, even though it suggests using your fingers. Yeah, no. Not for these little ones, not trying to put them in place and everything like that. So, yeah, I don't know, it's just not for me. It's cute. I give it that. It is cute. But yeah, that'll be it. That's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, thumbs down. That's cool too. Subscribe, you know, or not. That's totally up to you. I'm not telling you how to live your life. You do you, boo. I don't know what else to say. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm so like camera shy. It's been a hot minute since I recorded, that's why. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later.